In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get your receipts into QuickBooks in a few different ways, so they're organized, searchable, and ready for your bookkeeping or tax prep. First, start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Use whatever login method you normally do, and make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one business. It's always a good idea to double-check the company name in the top corner before you start, so your receipts end up in the correct place. Once you're signed in, look for the Transactions menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Receipts. This is the central hub where QuickBooks lets you store and review all of your receipt images and documents. On the Receipts page, you'll see options for getting your files into QuickBooks. One of the most common ways is to upload them directly from your computer. Click on the option that says Upload from Computer. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to your saved receipts. These might be PDFs, images from your phone, or scanned copies. Select the files you want to upload and then confirm to start the upload process. QuickBooks will pull those files in and start reading the information on them. If you store your documents in the cloud, you can also select Upload from Google Drive. When you choose this option, QuickBooks will prompt you to connect to your Google account if you haven't already. Once connected, browse to the folder where your receipts are stored, select them, and confirm. This is especially helpful if your team shares a Google Drive folder for receipts, since you can access them from any device. Another simple method is to drag and drop the files directly into the designated area on the receipts screen. You'll see a box or panel that indicates where to drop files. Just open the folder on your computer, select one or multiple receipts, and drag them into that area. QuickBooks will automatically start uploading them. Finally, you can email receipts straight into QuickBooks using your unique QuickBooks Online email address. You'll find this special address inside the Receipts section. Forward receipts from your inbox, or share that address with trusted team members so they can send receipts there as well. QuickBooks will receive those emails, extract the attachments, and add them to your Receipts tab, ready for you to review, categorize, and match to transactions.